treasures called minerals. Some types of rocks are made of just one mineral, while other rocks, such as granite, are a combination of several minerals. Minerals have been used to make jewelry and a vast variety of products that make our lives more enjoyable. They are also used in tools and machines, which make our lives easier. Some minerals that you may have seen are good. Graphite